young fellas like yourself can wear a suit and a tie and have a job. What do you really want to know? Am I sorry for what I did?
I have a greater responsibility than you could possibly fathom. You weep for Santiago, and you curse the Marines. You have that luxury.
Maybe there's nothing he'd rather do than, come up to you and say, Chris, you're a lousy husband, and you don't deserve Ann. Maybe there's nothing more he'd rather do than walk up to your face, look you right in your eye, and say to you, no, I didn't come up here to talk to you about Lestrade.
Really?
I came up here to talk about us. This is my Mac Daddy vibe I'm giving you. I'm sorry. If there was anything that I could...
You know, Uncle Phil?
Before he left Saudi Arabia, someone gave him $250,000. Told him if he took it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't go back and finish the job on his mother.